Times are changing. Are you meeting the demands of your workforce? Have you seen an increase in remote workers? And can you quickly onboard new users securely? Today's increasingly remote workforce and IT support need to adapt. How? The modern workplace. With the modern workplace, you are choosing endpoints that are cost-effective and low maintenance, automating deployment of physical and virtual systems, enabling real-time automation, monitoring, and control, securing your workforce with next-generation antivirus and firewalls, centralizing applications in the cloud, and working with experts to achieve success. But how do we get the modern workplace? TWE is your expert. By partnering with Microsoft, Palo Alto Networks, and Bacon Unlimited, TWE provides streamlined setup, best-in-class security, and simplified management, all to enable people like you to solve these modern, evolving challenges. Contact us, join one of our webinars, or schedule a personal demo so you too can master the modern workplace. TWE Solutions, solutions made simple.